UX writing is the process of crafting copy that helps the user achieve a certain goal. So what does a UX writer actually write? A UX writer can be responsible for writing the copy for many components in the user journey, such as onboarding flows. An onboarding flow is a series of steps that welcomes a new user to the product, showcases its main features, educates the user, and can direct them to complete the first task. The UX writer will collaborate with the UX designer to create an efficient onboarding flow. From a business perspective, the UX writer here can play an important role in increasing, for example, the number of paid signups and the retention rate. Buttons. A UX writer is responsible for writing the microcopy for buttons, as they are crucial elements to direct the users to a certain desired action. For example, they can transform a CTA button copy from something very regular, like sign up, to increase my revenue by 25% in 2 days. The latter is a potentially better way based on user research and best practices. The UX writer can also write the copy for empty states, loading states, success and error states, 404 pages, checkout flows, etc. To write the copy for all these components in an efficient way, the UX writer has to have a great iterative and data-driven process. To simplify this process, we split it into 4 main steps. Strategy. This is where the UX writer tries to understand both the business context and objectives, as well as the profile of the target audience. Let's say a small SaaS company approaches you to rewrite a free sign-up page for their email marketing software. While talking to the CMO, you understand that they want to increase the conversion rate for this form, but also improve the quality of their leads. The latter simply means that they want the people that sign up to be more likely to convert into paying customers later in the whole customer journey. Now that you know your business objectives, you start doing your own user research by interviewing people, doing new surveys, and reading relevant discussions about your product. Let's hypothetically say you uncovered the biggest desired outcome and that it is to start earning money writing a newsletter. You also understand that their biggest objection is that they don't have an audience. With these insights from both the customers and the business, you can start the next step, which is wireframing and writing. In this phase, you'll brainstorm some ideas to edit the existing sign-up page. For example, you decide to replace the headline "Sign up today" with 3,450 people already started earning without an existing audience. You change the call to action copy from "Sign up" to "Start earning today." You also dig into your existing testimonials, and you found one that can back up these claims. Your hypothesis here is that if you present your customers with their biggest desired outcome, treat their biggest objection, and back up this claim, this can result in more sign-up conversions, as well as educate the users and make them more likely to convert into paying customers. Now that you have crafted a new solution, it's time to test it. Testing. Just like scientists would do, we'll split users into 2 groups, A and B. Group A will get the old sign-up form. Group B will get the new one. After running this A/B test, we'll see if our new solution has beaten the old form, the control, and that's by measuring each form conversion rate. And since the business owners want to improve their lead quality, we will also measure how many free users turned into paying customers once the trial is over. Once we do that, we'll go to the next step. Iteration based on results. Improving the user experience is not a linear path, and the solutions that UX writers craft aren't necessarily going to move the needle on the first try. That's why we need to iterate. This could mean tweaking the solution and testing again, or even trying a totally new idea based on research and repeating the whole process. Bonus. Books to become a good UX writer. A UX writer needs to understand the basics of design, copywriting, and psychology. Here are some of our best recommended books. Scientific Advertising. Don't Make Me Think. 100 Things Every Designer Needs to Know About People. Buttons and click-boosting calls to action. Where stellar messages come from. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to become 1% better at design and copywriting for every video we post.